To read the data, CacheMount will first download the data from the cloud. And it will take a little bit long time because your file needs to be downloaded through the internet. And then you can read the file through the local area network. However, if you read the same file second time, or more than one person to read the data, you only need to read the data in cache space. So you don't need to download the file every time. And read the data in cache space through the local area network is much better than downloading the file from the internet. And then it's a scenario we just mentioned. If I want to upload a lot of data onto the cloud, if I have the NAS as a cloud gateway, I only need to transfer all my data into the NAS cache space through the LAN, and it will be fast. So after the data are transferring into the cache space, your uploading process is done, and then the upload test will be in the NAS in the background. So you don't need to wait for a long time to wait for it's done the upload to the cloud. And next is also the key of the cache function, which is cache algorithm. The cache algorithm will help us to remove the data when the cache space is already full and we need the space. So cache algorithm will help us to remove the less recently used file and then free the space to another data. So the cache space can be reused. So you don't need to create the cache space as large as the storage. So following on, I'm going to introduce you how CacheMount and why CacheMount can benefit you or your customer. First, if many users access the same cloud storage from their own PC, when they download the same file, when they synchronize the same file, it will consume a lot of bandwidth and the time. And also, if you use the cloud, if you use the object storage, downloading the data from the cloud will cost money. So, at this situation, everyone are downloading the same file, it will waste the bandwidth, waste the time, and waste the money. However, with NAS and CacheMount as a gateway, you can see that downloading the file and synchronize the file will only need one time, and then it can satisfy all needs of the whole user. After the file are already downloading to the cache space, every user are going to read that file. They only need to read the file in the cache space. So the file only need to download one time, and it can save the bandwidth, save the time, and save the money. And another benefit is that we know that object storage is not usually to use for the file sharing, because for some reason. And one of the reasons is that it is really not convenient to set up the user permission to access the cloud storage. Usually, the user share with the access key can access all cloud storage data. But it is not a scenario we want to share our cloud storage to all our employees. So with NAS and CacheMount as a gateway, we can manage the user permission through the NAS. We can assign the permission to the local user or to the domain user. So at this time, you can start to think about maybe we can use the object storage to share the file, because it usually is less expensive than Google Drive. And moreover, if you use the NAS as a gateway, we not only help you to manage the file in the file station, we also integrate with QTS applications. For example, our multimedia service or our other file management service. So here, I'm going to take some example for you. The first is we know that in this time, one cloud is not easy to satisfy your the company. You maybe have applied many of cloud storage for a different purpose. But at this time, your data will be distributed to different storage. So if you are going to search a certain file, a certain data, you need to go to different cloud provider and search that. But if you use the CacheMount, you mount all your cloud service into a NAS. So at this time, you just open QSearch and then enter your search criteria. So QSearch can search across all your cloud storage in one time, and the result will be shown in the one page. So it is easy to help you to search across the cloud. Another application we will integrate is our Q-filing. Q-filing is a smart archiving application which helps you to archive your data through one path to another path. So you can set one of your cloud storage or even your local path in the NAS as a source data, as a source path, and you can set up more than one cloud storage as a destination. So this time, Q-filing will help you to archive and move the data through your source path to the destination path. And there is also a powerful function Q-filing provides is the filing rule. You can set up the filing rule, and Q-file will help you to filter your source data. For example, I can move my picture in this source path to AWS3 for AI machine training, and I can transfer my document to Google Drive for the collaboration editing. So Q-filing can help you to easily move your data to different cloud storage. And next is we know that not every cloud provider have a good multimedia service. For example, for the object storage, they don't even have a good media viewer. But you don't need to worry about that anymore, because if you mount your cloud storage into a NAS through CacheMount, you can have the same and excellent experience with using QTS multimedia service. You can use our video station, our music station, and our QMagic. This is the new photo station, and we will have a section later to introduce that application. So at this time, even you use different kind of cloud service, you will have the same experience of the multimedia service. And here are some recommends of the model we will recommend you to use the CacheMount. Actually, every model which support QTS 4.4.1 will also support CacheMount. So you can easily recommend your customer by their needs, by their demand. So that is my introduction. Thank you.